Hello everybody. Today I want talk a little in this quickly video about how to clear Facebook cache on iPhone. Now it's so difficult because we not have that button, okay? Like in Android, you can watch a clear cache, but in this iPhone you cannot make this, okay? In all iPhone we not have that button. My personal solution is delete app and reinstall, okay? Delete and install again. With that, always you clear your cache. If you was example how we have Facebook and then delete and install again, you can watch how is little way, okay? Is low, is less way, okay? Sorry, my English is awful, but I hope that you can understand me. But remember, that is so important. Never delete your app if you not remember your personal information, because you need log in your account again, okay? Now this is all for this video. Sorry for my bad English and have a good day. See you later.